adoption floor right now. This is Queenie, and we're estimating her age to be anywhere from 10 to 12 years old. She came to us as a stray, so we don't have a definitive number on that. And anytime that you're adopting a senior dog, you are going to get some medical, and Queenie definitely has a few things going on. She has some arthritis, so you'll notice like her gait is a little bit odd, so she's on some medication to help with that. She also is going to be in need of a dental surgery to kind of help with her teeth. So we've noticed some issues with her vision. She can kind of see and she can navigate where she's going, but it seems as if there's maybe some depth perception issues. She can't see, her focus is a little bit off. But otherwise, she's a very sweet dog. She loves to be petted and cuddled. As you can see, she also is a huge fan of treats. She loves to get some treats, and she's actually her best self when she's outside. She loves to be outside, walking around, being in the grass. She's just probably the happiest when she's out on her walks. She was found actually walking around the fairgrounds. So whether she was an outside dog or an inside dog, we're not really sure, but she definitely loves to be outside.
Queenie wears a shirt throughout the day. Why is that?
So Queenie is a pretty anxious dog, and the shirt that she's wearing is called a thunder shirt. So it's a compression shirt, which allows her to feel a little bit more relaxed. It's kind of like when you swaddle a baby. It just kind of relieves that stress, makes her a little less upset throughout the day. It's just one of the many things that we can do to help make her stay here as comfortable as possible. But because she is an anxious dog, any potential adopter is going to want to take that into consideration as well. What are you going to do to help her? Are you going to, talk to your vet? Are you going to use medication? Are you going to work with an animal behaviorist? So there's a lot of different factors that you want to take into consideration when you meet Queenie.
One of the shelter's animal control officers took her home for a few days. What did we learn from that home visit?
So we learned a lot of things from that visit. So Queenie does tend to pace a lot, even in a home environment. So we're not sure exactly how long it's going to take her to settle in. But she wasn't there for very long because while she did really well with a young child, a young toddler, and she did great with the cats in the house, she did exhibit a little bit of resource guarding behavior with the other dogs in the home. So for that reason, we have recommended that she be the only dog in your household. So that might take her a little bit longer to find a forever home with that restriction. But we're going to keep her here until we can find a good rescue for her or a good adopter. Again, if you're interested in getting some more information about Queenie, you can always visit, but you can also email us at animalcontrol@frederickcountymd.gov to get to read her medical profiles and things like that.